Hi, my name is Michael. Today I'm making a tutorial video on how to use Zoom, the video conferencing app. So Zoom, very brief introduction, it's a video conferencing tool that you can use on your desktop, on your phone. You can also use it on your browser without downloading the app. And it's a great way for you to connect with people. And you might say there are many different video conferencing apps. Well, why use Zoom? So I think Zoom has some cool function. Today I'm going to share just one or two powerful functions, and hopefully you guys could take advantage, check it out, and then learn how to use it. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen quickly to show you guys how to get Zoom. Uh, so on the screen right now is the Zoom website. So to get to the Zoom website, you just type zoom.us, and then you'll get to this page right here. And with the browser, you could simply get started without downloading anything. You could host a meeting right here with videos off, with video on, right? Screen share only. If you have a PowerPoint, you could screen share, or you could join a meeting. And I'll show you that in a little bit, what would be shown when you join a meeting. Okay. So for those of you who want to use it on the phone, I mean, everyone uses a smartphone nowadays. So I have some screenshots. Um, so I use an iPhone. So for those Android user, it's the same app. Download this thing called Zoom Cloud Meeting. Okay, so this is from the App Store. I will find screenshot for the Google Play Store and then post it on. Uh, Once you download the app and you turn it on, this is how it looks like. Now you could sign up. If you already have an account, you could sign in. You don't really need to. If you want to use it consistently, and if you're using it for business, yes, it might be advisable for you to sign up for an account. Okay, so you hit join a meeting, and what shows up is a page like this. Okay, and it's going to prompt you to enter a meeting ID, and I will show you that in a second what that looks like. Okay. So this is my team, and we do announcement, and it says Zoom meeting with the subject is time and date, and then presenters, and these formats actually made by Zoom, and you could just go in and basically customize it to whatever it is that you're running the meeting for. And on the bottom, you see there's meeting ID. You can also click a link to join. So you could click on that link and it'll take you to a browser where you could join the meeting from there. Okay. For those of you who want to run a private meeting, you could also, through the settings, set up a password. All right. So on the phone, once you join a meeting, this is how it looks like. And you see, initially it'll prompt you to hear others, please join audio. And you definitely want to do that, because if you don't, you're just going to be looking at everyone's faces, not knowing what's going on. So usually on the phone, I hit call using internet audio. And what happens is it'll connect to the phone audio, and it'll be on speaker. So, if you're in a public place, you could probably put on a earphone. Okay, so click on that. If that screen doesn't show up, and this is what shows up, you could tap on the screen, and all these different options will show up from the bottom. Okay, and then so you could join audio. So just now I was doing it for my own desktop and my own uh, basically phone, and so there was echo. So it says your audio device is disconnected due to echo. Click to re-enable. So you could click this and re-enable the audio, so you could hear, you could participate in the meeting. You could stop video to stop your video feed. I mean, if you're, not, you don't have makeup, you don't have whatever, you don't look presentable, but you still want to participate in the meeting, you could also do that. Uh, Also, to run a meeting, very, very important, we could share content, right? Right now, what you're seeing right now is I'm sharing my desktop. So you can imagine you have a PowerPoint on here, right? And this is what will be shared. And you could basically run a meeting as if you would in the same room with someone. So That's why I say it's really powerful. And let's see what else. So yes, that's a brief introduction of how to use Zoom. And I hope you guys would all take great advantage of it to run business meetings. Thank you.